farm work seriously and producing food for us. Your Excellency, the Governor, I'm happy I listened to you. Thank you for the support for the upgrading of the palace of Eze. And I know you are passing through some challenges. And on occasions like this, I try to keep quiet. I don't like to say certain things. But you're holding, first time you're holding the top political office. We pass through a lot. And just know that nobody becomes a general without fighting wars. So whatever challenges we are meeting now is baking you to be a general in politics. And with your total commitment and the support I've seen from the people of Rivers State, God will surely see you through. Don't be perturbed. Continue to do your work as you have been doing. The wishes of the people, the prayers of the people are with you. And God will see you through, and God will see Rivers State through. We want a peaceful Rivers State, because Rivers State is the center of the Niger Delta, and I always make it very clear. If we create serious perturbation in Rivers State, we are creating crisis in the Niger Delta, which is not good for our economy as a nation. We want a peaceful Rivers State. We want the governor of Rivers State to be allowed to remain calm and do his work. After he finishes serving, another person will take over. It is not here before we know that they are there on them parts. But for legal offices, you have tenured, so you don't need to kill yourself over any political office. Allow those who are there to do their work, and after that, anything can happen. I plead with Rivers people to see that this state remain peaceful so that our people will develop.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, speaking during the chieftaincy installation of Governor Simi Fubara of Rivers State as Dike of Etche by the Spring Council of Etche traditional rulers. At that occasion, Governor Fubara was installed as the Dike of Etche Kingdom by the Spring Council of Etche traditional rulers. It was in that occasion that Goodluck Ebele Jonathan declared Fubara the emerging general of Rivers politics. He recognized that Fubara has been passing through a lot in the hands of his supposed godfather, Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, and former governor of the state, Nyesom Wike. Of course, he didn't mention Nyesom Wike by name, but we all know that Jonathan, being a gentleman, he has to be politically correct in that. So he didn't have to mention Minister of the FCT. But we all know that Minister of FCT is at the center of all the problems that Fubara is having as governor of Rivers State. And he was very categorical and clear that Fubara should be allowed to work. And he reminded the traditional rulers, say, your own time, your tenure is for life. When you are a traditional ruler, until death do you part, you continue to be there. But for elective officials, their tenures, their duration in office are tenured. You say, when your tenure finish, you leave the scene. And he was emphatic that if you don't like Fubara, if Nyesom Wike and co, others who are undermining his administration, who are doing everything to frustrate him, if they are not happy with him, They should wait until he's finished his tenure. Then they can put anybody they like. It is about the people choosing. And he identified very important thing. He said that the people's prayers are with Fubara, that the people are supporting him, that the people are with him, and that God is with him. And that's not disputable, because you can see that if you talk to any average Rivers man or woman, you will see that they are all with Fubara. Majority of them are with Fubara. That's a fact. And he said one key thing. I think that should also be a warning to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and those who are keeping quiet about the instability being created in Rivers State. He said that, look, Rivers State is the center of Niger Delta, that whatever affects Rivers State affects Niger Delta, and it will affect the economy of Nigeria. That is for those in Abuja, especially President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who is pretending as if he doesn't know what is going on in Rivers State, that they should allow Fubara to work, that his minister should allow Fubara to work. He said that the governor of Rivers State should not be disturbed. He should not be distracted. He should not be perturbed by any other thing. He should be allowed to concentrate in the job of running Rivers State. And you can see that is an elder statesman, a man that has seen it all. Of course, he knows that Fubara was not a politician. This is his first time of being in politics. And he reminded Fubara, no, you're going to make mistakes. They're going to come after you. You have to have problems. This is your first political office. I know you have a lot of challenges, but we are here with you. We support you. The people support you. That you should be allowed to do your work. That you should be allowed to concentrate in addressing the problem of Rivers State. And that is what is expected of a leader of the caliber of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, who does not play politics of bitterness. He doesn't play politics of... This is a man who said that his presidency, no votes for him is worth the blood of any Nigerian. That was why, despite the clear rigging that took place in 2015, he considered defeat even before the announced result. Why? Because he had seen that the APC was ready to throw the country into turmoil if things doesn't go their way. And this man values the life of the people. He could have stood his ground. I can tell you for free, if it was Muhammad Buhari, he would not have considered defeat 2015, because there was enough ground to query that election. But this man, because of his love for the life of an average Nigerian, because at the end of the day, they say when two elephants fight, is the ground, is the grass that suffer. It is the ordinary people that would have been slaughtered. Of course, you all know there is a chieftain of APC that said that they imported, that he said that the APC allegedly imported people from outside Nigeria to cause confusion, to throw this country into a turmoil if Jonathan was to be declared winner of that election. And many of those alleged bandits that was brought into the country were now said to be part of the bandits that has turned Nigeria upside down. And everybody's feeling the pinch. So he surrendered. Now he is in the Rivers State warning that Rivers State cannot afford to have a governor that is distracted. Rivers State cannot afford to have a Niger Delta in turmoil. Rivers State cannot afford to have a leader, a governor that is distracted, and that Nigeria cannot afford it. The economic implication of Rivers State being in crisis will be dire. That's what Goodluck Ebele Jonathan was telling President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Nyesom Wike and co and others who do not want Fubara to run Rivers State with a peace of mind, who are distracting him with court cases and all kinds of shenanigans, including stopping the allocation of Rivers State, including the distraction by those lawmakers who defected from the PDP to the APC and now claiming that they have defected back to PDP, causing confusions everywhere. Jonathan is sending a message to them. Nobody should distract Fubara. Fubara should be allowed to do his work. If you do not like Fubara and his performance, wait for him in 2027 and vote him out. Governorship position is a tenured. You do your part, you leave. He said it aptly. He said when Fubara finish his tenure, he will leave. Another person will enter. That is how it is. When Fubara finish, another person will enter. That is it. Nyesom Wike has finished, another person has entered. Somebody finished before Nyesom Wike entered. Somebody finished before the person that finished before Nyesom Wike entered. Okay. Since 1999, about 3 or 4 people have been able to be fortunate to govern Rivers State. Peter Odele, Rotimi Etche, Nyesom Wike, and now Fubara. Fubara will do his own with the wishes of Rivers people. He will do his 8 years, and another person will come in. That is the way it has been in Rivers State. It will not be different because it is Fubara. That's what the message that former President Goodluck Jonathan, who has seen it all, he has been local government chairman, he has been vice president, he has been deputy governor, he has been governor, he has been vice president, he has been president. He has seen it all in Nigerian politics. That's the message he was sending to Nyesom Wike, to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and all others, that they should allow Niger Delta to be in peace in the interest of Rivers State, in the interest of Niger Delta, in the interest of the economy of Nigeria, which Tinubu could acknowledge is in dire stress, or like Davido aptly put it, it's a shambles. It cannot afford any crisis in Niger Delta. I don't know what you think about Jonathan's support for Fubara. What do you think about his telling Fubara that to be a general, you have to fight wars? Fubara is now fighting his wars to emerge the general of Rivers politics. What is your take? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.